Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily remove the camera from the lock screen on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video, and be sure to put your likes. And let's get started with you on this topic. And let's say, if you want to remove the camera icon here, which is on the lock screen of any iPhone, then I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, go to Settings. Next, select Screen Time. Now scroll down a little bit and find this option here. Next, you will need to first activate the very first option, which is at the top. Now go to Allow Application Functions and find the camera here. And you will need to deactivate it by tapping on the button opposite it. You may be asked, like I was, to enter your password. Now, folks, if you look at the lock screen and you try to tap on the camera, you won't be able to go to the camera because it's now inactive. As you can see, even in color, it's different from the flashlight, for example, and you can see that it's inactive. But in that case, you will also have the camera gone from the work screen on your iPhone. That is, if I had it right here, now it's gone. Or if you had it here, it will also disappear. And even if you try to find it here, in the search bar, you can see the camera is not found by the iPhone. It'll take you to Settings, where you can activate it. Friends, this is how you can disable your camera from the lock screen on your iPhone. This is the only way. Unfortunately, you can't remove the icon itself. You can only deactivate it, and absolutely everywhere. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to write your comments. See you soon.